6. Create a referral program. So there are many ways to create a referral program, but the people that are already buying from you, who are already attending classes with you, are your biggest source of more clients. So you could have a referral program in place that says, if you introduce a friend to the studio and they buy a class card, then I will give you a free mat class, or I will give you a free coffee from the coffee shop down the road. Or if the coffee shop down the road is willing to have your flyers and things like that, and they send people your way, then maybe you will offer them a free Pilates class, or you offer them a free Pilates class in exchange for 10 coffee cards that you can hand out to your clients. So, whatever it is, think about the other businesses in your community and how you can partner with them so that you can benefit each other and that people can actually get a reward for helping you to build your business. So a referral program can be a very powerful way of generating more clients for your business, especially if you want to bring, say, another teacher on board, or if you just really need to get more people in so that you can meet your next goal. So I hope that's helped you to understand that there are many different ways that you can market yourself and that you can become a force to be reckoned with.